There's Hawk, hopefully lighting. The kid just got out of the car. We're about to do it.
Someone come here and light this. Don't worry, this won't spark. But you have to shield the light.
Hurry up before the battery runs out. The kid just out of the car, yes! We're having difficulty lighting. Difficult.
No, that's no good. That's no good.
Just light the fuse.
Yeah, let's just light the fuse. It's okay. He said, he's like, oh, you don't need this. This is only for like lighting multiple things, really.
Here we go! Grand finale, we're running away! We're running, it's about to blow! Grand finale, everybody! Here it goes! Oh my God.